Welcome to FarmIT 3000, farm management software for sheep and beef production. Today we're going to spend a few minutes just looking at the wide range of EID readers that are available for you to use on farm for reading EID tags in sheep and cattle. There is a wide range of EID readers, as you can see laid out on the table. At the one end we start off with our stick readers, which are very popular readers where speed and simplicity is required. In the middle we have data loggers, what we refer to as data loggers. They help you collect information about your cattle and your sheep, but don't actually let you look at that information in the field. And the third area is the area of mobile computers, such as the Scion Workabout Pro. So if we go back and take a look at stick readers for a moment, let's have a look at the sort that are available to us. First of all, there are many of them. And I think there are somewhere in the region of about 7 stick readers on the market. Stick readers are designed to be simple. They're there to meet the basic requirement of getting a list of tags. So, like the TrueTest XRS stick reader here, they have a limited number of buttons. Again, they're designed to be simple. You can collect multiple lists of sheep by going through a little menu that they all provide. And they all provide a basic functionality for getting a list of tags. When it comes to their subtlety, well, some of them buzz, some of them have lights, like the Agrident reader here, or the Shearwell stick reader here. Yeah? But they all basically work. They're all very good stick readers. Most of them have either a serial interface for plugging and sending data to a printer or your computer, or a Bluetooth interface for sending data to a printer or your computer. But they only give you, yet again, that basic list. So you can't do anything complicated on them because there's nothing to type in, it's just a list of tags. Quite often they can be therefore used to simply print a list of tag numbers and stick that to your movement document for your sheep. So they're a quick and easy answer to data collection, but they're not for those of you who want to collect information about your animals. As we move on then, data loggers, of which the Agrident APR 500 is probably one of the most widely used data loggers, let you record an EID of an animal and record associated with it other information. In other words, it allows us to do lambing, it allows us to do vet and med, it allows us to record weights, etc., depending on what you want to do. In fact, the reader is so flexible that we can write our own software tasks to basically collect any information we like whilst we're out in the field. The tasks that the reader runs, though, are dependent very much on the farm management software that you use. And FarmIT 3000 comes with its own tasks that work specifically with the reader and our own import and export routines to collect that data and process it within our software. Again, this will depend on the software that you're actually using. There are other data loggers on the market, but the downside of the data logger is that you can't actually look at any information about your animals on it. So they're quick, easy to use, they run set tasks, but you can only collect the data and take it back to your computer. The exception to that, though, is that if you want to just use the data logger like a stick reader, get a basic list of tags, you can still collect that list of tags with a quick speed mode read, they call it for the Agrident, and you can print that list of tags just like you can with a stick reader to a mobile printer to do your movement documentation. So data loggers offer an extra layer of data collection on and above what a stick reader does, with one limitation: you can't actually look at that information or historical information about your animals while you're in the field. When it comes to mobile computers, the Scion Workabout Pro really dominates the field at the moment. It is, as you can see, quite a large and complicated unit. It runs an operating system from Microsoft and it runs farm management software provided by your farm management company. So in our context, we have our own FarmIT mobile software which runs on the Scion and integrates directly into our FarmIT 3000 management software back in the office. The functionality therefore on your Scion is dependent on what we've told it to do. And for us, this includes information about the animal, lambing records, calving records, PDing. It includes movements, vet and med, and really all the widely performed tasks on the farm. The sign for us is the most versatile piece of kit. And really, it is, in the hands of our sophisticated breeders, exactly what they want. The main feature, though, of the SARM is not only can you record information, but you can look up information that you've recorded, whether that was the lambs that you had last year, the weight that the lamb was 6 months ago, or what vet and med you actually put into the animals back in April. So it's the ability to look at this information, the historic information, that makes mobile computers outperform the data loggers and the stick readers. So those are your three different types or different classes of reader. You've got stick readers, data loggers, and mobile computers. Exactly which one you need depends very much on the job that you want to do. If it's the minimum government legislation, a list of tags, then maybe a stick reader's for you. If you want to record complex breeding information, then a stick reader is not for you. You might want a data logger, quick, easy to use, but no data lookup, or a mobile computer to give you full access to all of your data about an animal while you're in the field. There is one other area, and that is, of course, to use a hybrid solution, a stick reader with a PDA. The trouble is with that, though, you then move from having one device in your hand, possibly to having two. And that might be a bit of a compromise, but it may be difficult to use. Depending on your situation, you really got to make your own choice. All of these stick readers work perfectly well, perfectly good tag reads, very usable in the field, but they do very different jobs. That's why we have stick readers, data loggers, and mobile computers. Thank you.